Hi, Millie.
Hi, Mike. You're a little late today. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Sorry.
Concerned. You look a little sad. What's wrong?
This morning, I went to the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, that's nice.
No, I tried to order coffee. I spoke English,
That is good practice.
but the man, he speaks so fast, I don't understand.
I know. Many people speak fast here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly, but the people in line, they laughed at me.
Oh, Mike. I am very sorry.
I feel very bad, shy. Maybe my English is not good,
Your English is good, Mike. You are learning.
but I make many mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We can use simple words.
Okay.
Friendly. Let's talk about your day. This is good practice. What do you do every morning?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. What is next?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. See? You're speaking perfect English.
This is easy.
Yes, simple is good. Let's try one more. What about your sister? What does she do?
She go to school.
Very close. Remember, for he or she, we add s.
Oh, yes. She goes to school.
You got it. That is exactly right.
I go, she goes. Yes. Learning is step by step.
You're doing great. Step by step.
Okay. Don't think about the people in the coffee shop. Just keep practicing.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you, Millie. I feel better now. I will practice every day. Hi there. Is this seat free?
Oh, yes, please, sit.
Thank you. My name is Mike.
I'm Millie. I live near here.
You are reading an English book.
Yes, I study English every day.
That's great, but it is very hard. I study, but I cannot speak well.
Why not?
You are speaking to me now, yes, but you are very kind.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
Yesterday, I went to a store, and the woman spoke so fast, I did not understand.
That's normal. Don't worry.
I wanted to ask a question, but my mind went blank. I felt so nervous.
Many people feel that way. Don't give up.
I make many mistakes. Sometimes people get angry.
No, not angry. People are just busy. They speak fast.
Slowly?
Yes, speak slowly. That's the secret.
Okay, let's practice.
Look at the park. Tell me what you see. Simple sentences.
I see trees.
Good. I see trees. What else?
A man, he walk his dog.
Almost perfect. For he, we add s.
Oh, he walks his dog.
Excellent. What about the children?
They play.
Yes, they play. See, you are speaking English.
I play, he plays, they play.
You got it. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady. I will remember.
You are doing a great job. Keep practicing.
Thank you, Millie. I feel better. I will try again tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Hello. You look a little lost. Can I help you?
Oh, yes, thank you. I look for...
It's okay. Take your time.
I'm looking for a book.
Great. I'm Mike, the librarian.
I'm Millie. I'm sorry, my English is not very good.
Your English is fine. I understand you.
What are you looking for?
I want to help you.
I want a book for English. Simple English.
Ah, you want a book to learn English. Yes, we have many. Follow me.
Thank you.
These books are for A1 and A2 learners. They are perfect for you.
Oh, I see. I asked a question and you understood me.
Yes, you spoke slowly and clearly. That's very good.
I don't need to speak fast.
No, slow and clear is very good.
Slow and clear. I will remember.
You are doing great. Learning is step by step.
Step by step. Yes.
Do you want to check out this book?
Yes, please. Thank you, Mike.
You're very welcome, Millie. Good luck with your studies.
Hi, Mike. You're very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hello, Millie. I'm okay, just tired.
Are you sure? You look a little sad.
Well, this morning, a customer asked me a question.
Yes?
I tried to answer in English, but I made a mistake.
What happened?
He asked about our boss, Mr. Kim, and I said he live in Los Angeles.
Oh, I understand.
I feel stupid. I always forget the S. People laugh.
You are not stupid, Mike. That is a very, very common mistake.
But now I feel nervous. I don't want to talk.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need practice.
Practice. Okay.
Let's practice now. It's easy. We use the simple present for daily routines, right?
Yes. For example, I work here.
You work here.
I work. You work.
Good. But for he or she, we add S. So Mr. Kim, he, works here.
Perfect.
See, you know it. And my friend Maria, she works here too.
They got it.
You got it. Let's try another one. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. too.
What about Mr. Kim?
He eats lunch at 1 p.m.
Exactly. You are doing great.
It is easy when I speak slowly.
That is the secret. Take your time. You don't need to be fast.
Thank you, Millie. I feel better.
Good. Practice makes perfect. Let's go back to work.
Excuse me, are you waiting for the number 12 bus?
Oh, yes, I think so.
You look a little unsure.
I am Chloe. I am Millie.
I am Mike. Nice to meet you.
This sign is difficult.
I know. The bus schedule in Seattle is very confusing.
I want to go to the university.
Okay. Yes, this is the right bus. It comes in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I feel bad. I'm afraid to ask for help.
Oh, why?
My English is not very good.
Thank you, but your English sounds clear to me.
But I make many mistakes with go or goes.
Ah, the S problem. It's very common. I say, my friend go, but my teacher says goes.
That's right. It's simple. I go, you go, we go, they go.
Okay, but he goes, she goes, so my friend, he, goes.
I go, he goes.
See? It's not rocket science. You are learning.
It's not rocket science?
It means it's not so difficult.
Oh, I like that.
Look, here is our bus.
Thank you so much, Mike.